Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from ebonyline.com. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. On my channel I do hair videos, I do fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis. As well, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video that I post. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from ebonyline.com and they sent over this unit right here. So we have Sensationnel's Butta Lace unit. I'm super excited because this unit is supposed to be a longer unit and I rarely do long units. So yeah. Okay, girl. So here is the unit, girl. It's super long too. Okay, so this is Sensationnel's loose curly 32-inch, girl, I knew it was long, 32-inch unit. It's in the color 1B. It says it has virtual HD undetectable lace. The features says human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement. The HD lace blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tie parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs along the hairline in a natural and full maximum density. And it also comes in other colors, and I'll show you the inside. And then this is the stock card, and then it also tells you how their lace is compared to everybody else's. So girl, let's get into the inside of this unit. So this is what we're looking like. It comes with the part already, a middle part to be exact. It has two combs, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. And then here we have the HD lace with the baby hairs. So yeah, girl, we're looking good so far. It's very long again and very full. Like it said, a maximum density. It didn't say that it was curling iron stay, but you already know it is, because your girl's gonna use her hot comb on it regardless. But I wouldn't put it up to such a high heat just because it doesn't really say in the features that it is what is it, you know, heat doable. Girl, I just made something up. I can never really talk, but yeah, we're gonna put some heat on it. But anyway, sis, let's go ahead and put it on.
So I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette. To lay my wig, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then use my blow dryer to seal in the spray. So now I'm going to go back in using that same powder that I used in the beginning for my Black Radiance Contour Palette and just put that all along my hairline just so I can better tint the lace. Then I'm going to go in again using that Got To Be Glue Free Spray, spraying along the hairline and just blow drying it in, and this just creates the perfect melt. So now for styling, you already know that it's just a simple T-part unit, so nothing to do to the part. I'm just going to go in with my hot comb and just start to lay the part down flatter and the front down flat and just basically style everything up. So now for these baby hairs, sis, I'm just basically taking some hair out on the side, and once I get it to my liking, I'm going to cut them and then use my little flat iron to curl them up, and then to lay them down I'll be using some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to swoop them over. And after I swoop them over, I'm going to cut them a little bit, like trim them up, just so I can get it to my liking, and just continue to repeat the steps on the other side until I get it right. And sis, trust me, it took me a little bit of a minute. I kind of had a little trouble on these baby hairs today. So now that we got the baby hair situated, I'm going to go back in with some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and this just acts as my wax stick to hold everything down into place. And of course I'm using my hot comb and just basically repeating the same steps that I did before, just to get the front looking how I want it to. Now I'm just going in with that same Black Radiance powder and just placing that all along the hairline where I see the light spaces, and then inside of the part as well. Now I'm going in with some oil sheen, and I'm just going to place that all throughout the hair. This just eliminates the frizz, the tangling, and just gives it some moisture.
Sis, girl, get into it. Like, when I say your girl is super excited about this unit. Now, I rarely do long units because me and long units don't mix all the time, but girl, when I say this is just so pretty, it's giving me Brazilian deep wave. Sis, it's gorgeous. So anyways, enough rambling. Let me turn around so you can see the back. And girl, it is super long. Let me stand up. Okay, sis, so that was the hair. Let's push it all up to the front. And it is a lot of hair, but I did just push it all up to the front, so it just looks like it's more than what it is. But anyways, girl, so let's get into these details. It's in between big head friendly and not big head friendly. I do have a big head and it is snug on my head. It wasn't a struggle when putting it on, but it was a slight struggle in gluing it down because it kept going backward, and I kept having to hold it down and pull it up to the front in order for it to stay. And I didn't glue it right here on the side because it literally just kept going back into my hairline, and I don't like to glue my wigs inside of my hairline because I don't want to lose any edges. I like for it to be right there at the tip. So yeah, it is a little snug on my head. One of the units, this is one of those units where I probably would have to take some Tylenol just to alleviate a headache, if any, because it is a little snug. So yeah. The texture, sis, the texture is just some really soft hair. I'm not going to say you can run your fingers through it. You can slightly, but you will receive some tangles, and I already knew that was coming as to why I don't really like getting longer synthetic units, because it does tangle or whatever. So I did receive some tangling and just a few snags. The oil sheen did help it out. That's exactly why I added the oil sheen, to alleviate the tangles, add some moisture, and alleviate the frizziness, because it was just everywhere, because it's a lot of hair, sis. It is a lot of hair, regardless of me pushing it up to the front or not. It does have a good amount of hair on it, so the oil sheen will keep your hair intact. I would definitely recommend you oil sheening it down, especially at nighttime, and especially in the nape area right here, because I can already see that it's going to frizz up and nap up right there, especially when you go outside and get into the environment or whatever. So yeah. But besides that, you guys, it's some real pretty hair. Again, I would just finger comb it instead of combing it, because it is big hair that if you do comb it, it's just going to get bigger and bigger and be harder for you to maintain the hair. So definitely just run your fingers through it a little bit in styling it or whatever. But yeah, overall, girl, the hair feels really nice, and especially right now because I just took it out of the pack, so it's just gorgeous, sis. Once you get into the environment, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but right now it is some bomb hair. The lace, girl, the lace melted nicely so far as what I can see. I can't really tell on camera if it's giving me tinted lace or not, but in person it looks good. It looks like it's tinted very well. The hairline was actually pre-plucked. You know, some units say that it comes pre-plucked and then you get it and it's just like pre-plucked where it says, but this actually came pre-plucked right in here. The pre-plucking stops right here, and it looks good. The pre-plucking looked good. You probably can't tell right now, but I could tell when gluing the unit down. So it is pre-plucked right here, and it looks really good, sis. Again, it melted very nicely, and overall it's just some bundle hair. Like, you cannot tell me otherwise. This hair looks really good. It looks like bundle hair. The waves are really pretty. The length is nice. This is definitely one of those units where I would wear only for special occasions. So if it's your birthday and you need some birthday hair, this is definitely the unit to get, because it's gorgeous, especially if you want it to be long. Valentine's Day, just girl, just any special occasion, this would be the unit to get. I definitely would not wear it every day, especially if you're trying to get as much wear out of it as possible. With it being every day, it'll be so much tangling because of the length and the density or whatever. So yeah, this is just like one of those units where it's a special occasion. I could see this unit lasting maybe 2 weeks. If you get to 3 weeks, girl, you're doing good. You didn't maintain this unit. Kudos to you. With me and long hair, I know that I could probably only keep this up for 2 weeks. And that's with me wearing it maybe 3 days here, take a break, and then 3 days, you know what I'm saying? Like, just not, you know, for a whole week straight or whatever. But I mean, you do what you do. Whatever you do is, you know, your business. But I just know how me and my little long units go. We just, sometimes we clash. But yeah, girl, 2 weeks tops. I think that's really it, sis. Get you this unit because it is some pretty hair and it's like a Brazilian dupe. But anyways, girl, I'll have it locked. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.